Welcome to Product Scout, where we bring you the best of the best in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Kicker 49L7TDF122 down-firing 12 inches L7T 2-Ohm Subwoofer Enclosure. A slim, powerful subwoofer that delivers impressive bass without taking up too much space. If you're in the market for a subwoofer that combines power, design, and convenience, look no further. This is, without a doubt, one of the best Kicker L7 Slim models you'll find. The Kicker L7T subwoofer is known for its ultra-thin, square design, which allows it to fit comfortably in smaller spaces, such as under your truck's seat or in the trunk, without compromising on sound quality. This subwoofer is perfect for those who want deep bass in a compact form. The down-firing enclosure design is not only space-efficient but also incredibly durable, with internal bracing that resists weight and scratches, making it suitable for transporting heavy items in your truck without worrying about damage. Equipped with Kicker's signature L7T Solo Barrack sub, the L7T delivers up to 600 watts RMS, ensuring that you get a powerful, clear sound. The square design of the subwoofer increases cone area by nearly 20% compared to round subs, meaning it can move more air and produce louder, more impactful bass, all while fitting in the same space. Whether you're cruising down the road or just enjoying your music, the L7T will elevate your listening experience with its impressive output and reliability. The forced air cooling system within the L7T ensures high power handling and long-lasting performance. It works by expelling hot air from around the voice coil as the subwoofer cone moves, preventing overheating and allowing for continuous, high-performance bass. The enclosure itself is built tough with a down-firing design that helps it fit snugly in tight spots while resisting the usual wear and tear that comes with heavy-duty use. The L7T is designed to give you big bass in a slim, compact package, making it a perfect choice for those who don't want to sacrifice sound quality for space. With its rugged design, powerful output, and smart features like forced air cooling, the Kicker 49L7TDF122 down-firing subwoofer is an excellent addition to any truck audio system. If you're looking to boost your vehicle's audio system with minimal space and maximum impact, the Kicker L7T subwoofer is a fantastic option. Be sure to check out the link below for more information and to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Scout for more product reviews and recommendations.